First sign, love and joy. If you're filled with love and joy, that's a big sign. Galatians 5 verse 22 says, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness." Second sign, guidance and wisdom. The Holy Spirit helps you know what's right. John 16 verse 13 says, "But when He, the Spirit of truth, comes, He will guide you into all the truth." Third sign, boldness to share. When you feel the urge to share about Jesus, that's the Spirit working. Acts 1 verse 8 says, "But you will receive power when the Holy Spirit comes on you, and you will be my witnesses." Lastly, inner peace. Even in tough times, you feel a deep peace. Romans 8 verse 6 says, "The mind governed by the Spirit is life and peace." So if you see these signs, the Holy Spirit is definitely at work in you. Keep listening and following that guide.